Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to head to the laptop dimension. That's right, guys. So hopefully you can search up all those things you don't want to search up on your real computer. Wait, that didn't sound right. That didn't sound right, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 13 blocks of iron. You want to place 4 of them just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, after you've done that, jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of iron. Then go ahead, jump on down. Ow, that really hurt. And then do the exact same thing on this side, guys. And now you just want to go ahead and place 2 in the middle. And now you just want to go ahead, after you've done this, jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, take your flint and steel, and powie, wowie, don't that look absolutely amazing? Now it's time to go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button to join the epic squad and head on into this dimension, guys. And as I've said in previous videos, if this video gets 500 likes, I will add this dimension to a realm, guys, so you guys can all come and visit it. But wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? And LOL? 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 What the heck? Why would they put that in this dimension? Maybe because the top half of the laptop screen is broke. What kind of loser does that, guys? What kind of loser does that to such a beautiful laptop? And oh my god! They even took the keyboard. Who would do this? Like, who would do this to such a beautiful laptop? Like, that's crazy, guys. That's absolutely crazy. But I do love that since they took the keyboard away, you can see, like, all the little parts and everything. This is obviously the CPU. We go ahead and beef it up with some TNT, guys, because that's what we do. That's our job, is to beef up those CPU units. And I wonder where the hard drive's located, to be honest, guys, because I don't see the hard drive. Like, that was the CPU, and then I guess this is the motherboard. Let's go ahead and look around back, and whoa, the back has a lot going on, guys. So it has an HDMI out. It also has this plug that it plugs into, and this is obviously the power cable. So obviously the battery in their laptop is going dead, so now they have to use this cord to actually hook it in, guys, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. Like, who does that? Like, I did that like 5 years ago, guys, because my computer was such a junky one, guys. But let's go ahead and build this TNT up, guys, because we're about to blow this laptop up, guys. But don't worry, because if this video gets 500 likes, I will go ahead and I will fix this whole laptop and I will add it to a realm for you guys. And if you guys want to know how to get into the realm, just go ahead, scroll on down to the comment section, and if this video has got 500 likes, then I will put it in the comment section, guys. But just be a legend, be epic, join the epic squad, hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button, guys, because I know you love these kind of videos, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and blow this laptop up, guys. This is going to be a massive explosion, an absolutely humongous, monumental explosion, guys. So get a good look at it. Get a good look at the webcam on it. Let's go ahead and eat enchanted golden apple, light this baby up, and watch it explode. Oh my god. Wow. It killed my pig, guys. And wow. It was totally worth his life to see that absolutely amazing explosion, guys. Wow. That was crazy. That was really crazy, guys. Wow, that was an epic, amazing explosion, guys. Like, just take a look at what it did. Wow, it totally wrecked it. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.